notice bleeding from the gums, don't ignore it. It can be due to gingivitis. What is gingivitis? The inflammation of the gingiva that can be due to the deposits. The first sign of gingivitis is bleeding gums. The gums will be swollen, reddish, tender and bleed upon brushing or upon touch. If it untreated, that will lead to periodontitis. What is periodontitis? It's the inflammation of the periodontium. Here the gums will bleed upon slight touch and it is irreversible. So in this case, you have to do the scaling and get rid of the deposits, and you have to maintain a good oral hygiene. The other causes of bleeding from gums is due to vitamin deficiencies like vitamin K, vitamin C deficiency, and certain medications like antidepressants, immunosuppressants and blood thinners and anticoagulants, and due to hormonal imbalances that's happening during pregnancy or puberty, and certain blood diseases like hemophilia, leukemia. And if you are having diabetes or heart problems, that also will cause more prone to gingivitis, and you can get bleeding from the gums. And if you are having some ill-fitting dentures or ill-fitting appliances, that will cause irritation to the supporting soft tissues and gums and will bleed. So in such case, you have to visit the dentist and refabricate the appliance. And mouth breathers also will cause dry mouth, and that will irritate the gingiva and will cause the bleeding from the gums. So these are some of the causes of bleeding from the gums. So if you are getting a bleeding while brushing, never ignore it. Visit the dentist and identify the cause of the bleeding. If it is due to deposits or gum inflammation, you can do the scaling and get rid of it. If it is due to some other causes, you have to treat the underlying cause, and if suppose you need to alter some medications, you can visit the concerned doctor and take an advice for that. So do the scaling, maintain a good oral hygiene and never ignore if it is bleeding from the gums, and you can use some mouthwashes and some toothpaste that control the bleeding as well, and that will help you to have a bright and good smile, and you can get rid of the bleeding completely. Thank you.